Hi friends, yesterday our Indian Finance Minister announced certain changes in the withholding tax rate applicable for payments made from today 14th May 2020 until 31st March 2021. She suggested a 25% reduction in the withholding tax. So this reduction will be applicable until 31st March 2021. So in this video, I would like to share how we can achieve this 25% reduction in the withholding tax rate announced by our finance minister. So to achieve that, first we need to define a reason for exemption. So in how you can define, go to this SPRO. I'll just show you in SAP as well. So this is the path: SPRO, financial accounting global settings, withholding tax, EWT, and then basic settings. So let's see here. So this is the path. So go here and then choose country IN and create one exemption, say exemption region. So I have created one region as one and with text as government notification. So once you have done this creation of region, the next step is define the formulas for calculating withholding tax. So in order to achieve this 25% reduction in the withholding tax, we need to use this solution option of defining the formulas for calculating the withholding tax. So this configuration is available in the following path: SPRO, financial accounting, global settings, then withholding tax code. I'll just show you. See, this is the path. So come here. So select one withholding tax type. So like J6. So in this case, J6 is a withholding tax on professional services, and I have 10% rate applicable as per the Indian Income Tax Act. So select this line and then click on formulas for calculating withholding tax. You see, up to 30,000 rupees, there is no withholding tax, and beyond that, then 10% rate applies. In order to achieve this 25% reduction in the withholding tax, use this field reduction rate. So here I mentioned 7.5%, which is the reduced rate. 25% reduction on 10% will be 7.5%. So you have to do this for all your withholding tax code, which you have configured in your system individually, and then save it. So these two configuration is very important. First is define the reason for exemption, and then create these formulas for calculating withholding tax. And in that formula, you mention the reduced withholding tax rate under the field reduced rate. See, this is the purpose. Reduced withholding tax rate. So reduced withholding tax with percentage rate, and it says given a valid exemption, this percentage rate may be applied to the withholding tax base amount. Once you have done these two configuration, then you have to update the vendor master data. So in order to do that, first you identify all your vendors who have got withholding tax applicability in your system. You can use table LFBW for this purpose, and then assign the exemption reason which you have configured, and give a validity date from 14th May to 31st March. You can achieve a mass updation in the vendor master by using LSMW table. So see, this is the screen. One example I am showing you. So I have this withholding tax J6 for example, and I have assigned exemption rate exemption region 1, and with the date 14th May to 31st March. So once you have done these three setups, then going forward when you make the payment or when you book the invoice to a vendor, system will apply the reduced withholding tax rate which you have configured. Hope this will help you in meeting this legal requirement. Thank you so much. Bye.